everyone. For today's video, I will be sharing a short introduction about myself and my thoughts on Philippine popular culture. In this video, I will be talking about my expectations on this subject, explain in my own words what Philippine popular culture means, and share one example of Philippine popular culture that has influenced me. Expectations on the subject Philippine popular culture is to learn more about the culture in the Philippines, on how it affects to their beliefs, traditions, entertainment, and trends. I also believe that through this subject, I will get a clearer understanding on the changes of Filipino culture. For me, the Philippine popular culture is everything that the people in the Philippines do, enjoy, and love engaging with. It includes music, food, movies, traditions, social media, and the way we speak and celebrate. One of the Philippine popular culture that has an effect on me is celebrating the fiesta, which shows the significance of unity, sharing, and bonding with family and friends. It is also means of saving the Filipino culture and traditions.